Hello, welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to talk about manufacturing entrepreneurship. What is manufacturing? Manufacturing refers to a large-scale production of goods that converts raw materials, parts, and components into finished merchandise using manual labor and/or machines. The finished good can be sold directly to consumers, to other manufacturers for the production of more complex products, or to wholesalers who distribute the goods to retailers. What is manufacturing business? A manufacturing business is any business that uses raw materials, parts, and components to assemble finished goods. Manufacturing business often employ machines, robots, computers, and humans to produce the merchandise and typically use an assembly line, which enables a product to be put together step by step, moving from one workstation to the next. Manufacturing business can choose to sell their products directly to consumers, to other manufacturers, to distributors, or to wholesalers. Manufacturing is very simple business. The owner uses the raw material or component parts to manufacture a finished product. To function as a business, the manufacturer needs to cover costs, meet demand, and make a product to supply the market. A factory operates one of three types of manufacturing production: make to stock, make to order, and make to assemble. Make to stock is a factory produces goods to stock stores and showrooms. By predicting the market for their goods, the manufacturer will plan production activity in advance. If they produce too much, they may need to sell surplus at a loss, and in production too little, they may miss the market and not sell enough to cover costs. Make to order. The producer waits for orders before manufacturing stock. Inventory is easier to control, and the owner does not need to rely as much on market demand. Customer waiting time is longer too, and the manufacturer needs a constant stream of orders to keep the factory in production. Make to assemble. The factory produces component parts in anticipation of orders for assembly. By doing this, the manufacturer is ready to fulfill customer orders, but if orders do not materialize, the producer will have a stock of unwanted parts. With all three types of manufacturing, there are risks. Supply too much and you flood the market, causing a drop in price and a drop in profits. By not meeting demand, the customer may go elsewhere with a drop in sales for the manufacturer. Quality control is also a big factor in successful manufacturing. The manufacturer will need to keep a close eye on quality of product from beginning to end, with many tests along the way. If mistakes happen, the long-term consequences may be serious. A manufacturing business may need many parts for the complicated assembly of a quality product, or just the few for making a simple good. Keeping production costs a minimum, having a good quality control, and excellent sales management are key to reducing the risk in any type of manufacturing. How to start a manufacturing business? First, research the industry. Manufacturing is a huge industry with a lot of steps and process involved. The more research you do into your industry and business plan, the better a start you will give yourself as an entrepreneur in the field. Even if you are skilled within this field and have extensive experience, ongoing research and following trends are key. The second one, fully understand your intended supply chain. Manufacturing business depend on a varied and dedicated supply chain, so understanding yours in detail is a key first step for entrepreneurs. However, you also need to plan for what could go wrong within a supply chain. If a problem with one key link distributes the whole chain, how would your business be affected, and what could you do about it in an emergency? The third one, save time in your personal life. Anything you can do organize your personal life in a better way will benefit the progress of your new manufacturing business. Be sure not to neglect a good personal schedule in favor of focusing on your work. Look for any ways you can to save time, whether it's with your own responsibilities, your family duties, or even a side job you have alongside building your new business. Use technology and online services to your advantage, such as ordering kids' outfits with kitpick.com instead of spending long days shopping. Organize your online grocery list for repeat orders to cancel out busy trips to the market. And get your workout out of the way first thing, so you don't have to worry about it cutting in your workday. The next one, organize your business and personal finances. This is important for an entrepreneur in any industry, including manufacturing. Having a firm grip on your finances when first beginning with your startup business is vital. This counts for your personal finances as well as your business budgets, especially if you have other commitments such as outgoings and a family to pay for. Organizing your finances in very way, saving up as much as possible, and keeping business and personal finances separate will all help you to start on the right foot as an entrepreneur. The last one, understand your inventory. You will need a constant stock of certain materials or products to always have on hand, but be sure manage your inventory in the most cost-efficient way. You don't want to have a high amount of stock on hand taking up space in a warehouse if it can be avoided. Therefore, understanding your inventory and supply ordering overall will make a positive differences. Thanks for listening to me.